National symbols of India. There are 17 national symbols of India. There are as follows. National flag. The national flag of India, known as Tiranga, was designed by Pingali Venkaiah and was officially adopted on the 22nd of July 1947. Its three colors saffron, white and green, which symbolize the sacrifice of freedom fighters, peace and prosperity respectively. The flag is a symbol of India's unity, diversity and pride. National emblem. India's national emblem, derived from Ashoka Chakra at Sarnath, reflects the nation's history and cultural significance. The emblem carries the motto Satyamev Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs, symbolizes India's commitment to justice and righteousness. National currency. The currency of India is the Indian rupee (INR), which is regulated by the Reserve Bank of India. Designed by Udaykumar Dharmalingam, the rupee symbol reflects India's economic strength and heritage. National calendar. The Sakha calendar serves as India's national calendar. With deep historical roots, it represents the golden period of Indian civilization and has been in use for official purposes since 1957. Oath of Allegiance. The National Pledge of India is a declaration of allegiance to the nation emphasizing unity, peace and national integrity. This pledge is recited across schools and institutions to promote patriotism and a sense of belonging. National fruit. The mango holds the title of National Fruit of India. Loved across the nation, it is a symbol of summer and prosperity. Known for its sweetness, the mango is a cultural icon in India. National animal of India. The Royal Bengal tiger is India's national animal. Recognized for its strength and grace, the tiger is also a symbol of the nation's commitment to conservation, as it faces the threat of extinction. National bird. The peacock is India's national bird, chosen for its beauty and significance in Indian culture. The bird was adopted in 1963, representing vibrancy, national pride and cultural heritage. India's national anthem. India's national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was composed by Rabindranath Tagore in Bengali and later translated into Hindi. It was officially adopted as the anthem in 1950, and its stirring lyrics reflect India's diversity and unity. National Song of India. Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, is India's national song. Adopted in 1950, it celebrates the country's freedom struggle and pays homage to India as a motherland. National Tree of India. The banyan tree is India's national tree. Known for its vast canopy, the banyan is a symbol of immortality and spiritual significance in Hinduism, representing resilience and longevity. National vegetable. Pumpkin is the national vegetable of India, chosen for its widespread cultivation and the vital role it plays in Indian diets. This versatile vegetable is grown across the country with minimal resources. National heritage animal. The Indian elephant is declared the national heritage animal of India. Revered in Indian culture, the elephant symbolizes strength and wisdom. Efforts are underway to protect this majestic animal as its population dwindles. National aquatic animal of India. The Ganges River dolphin is India's national aquatic animal. This species, found in the Ganges River, is endangered, and its declaration as a national symbol aims to raise awareness for its conservation. National River of India. In 2008, the Ganges was declared India's national river, underscoring its deep cultural and spiritual significance. The Ganga Action Plan was initiated to protect and preserve this sacred river. National Flower of India. Lotus is India's national flower. The lotus or water lily, an aquatic plant of the Nymphaea family, has the honor of being India's national flower. National Game of India. Most people think that hockey is the national sport of India. This idea is deeply rooted in our culture and school education. However, unlike some countries where a specific sport is recognized by law or official statement as the national game, India has no such designation.